Just imagine a place with no trees, no animals, no birds, just concrete, silence, and smoke. That's exactly how our earth will look if we lose biodiversity. A variety of life which makes our earth a living and breathing miracle. A very pleasant day to each and everyone present here. Today, 22nd May, is celebrated as National Biodiversity Day throughout our country. On this day, we try to encourage people the importance of biodiversity and how to protect it. On the account of this auspicious day, I, Ammar Ahmed, is standing in front of you with my team Saloni, Aditi, Amen, Amna, Arohi, and Asthik to present before you a 3D model on biodiversity. With this model, we try to show the realms of our country and some of the various biodiversity.
Close your eyes and you can see how our world is supposed to be. The clear sunshine hitting the clear blue sky, daisy fields and soft butterflies. A very pleasant day to all. I, Arohi Pandey of 11 Science, is going to tell you the true meaning of biodiversity. Biodiversity encompasses the variety of life on Earth, from genes to ecosystem and the process that sustain it. It includes the number, variety and variability of living organisms and their interaction within ecosystem. Essentially, biodiversity is richness and variation of life on our planet.
I am Astik Bhatt standing before you all to tell you about islands. An island is a landform which is surrounded by water on all the sides. Islands are found in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. Many islands are formed by volcanic activities. There are two types of islands, continental and oceanic. In India, there are two islands, Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. On the islands, there are various types of animals found such as snake, turtle, cows, etc. Thank you.
I am Amna Hussain of class 11 Science. So today here I will give you all a brief description about a beautiful topic which is hills. So let us first understand the meaning of hills. A hill is a landform that is higher than the surrounding terrain and that is smaller than a mountain. Now let's understand about hills habitat. First, plants habitat of hills. Coniferous trees are mainly found near hills and waterfall areas. For example, pine and oak trees. Second, animal habitats of hills. Hill animals include species like deer, rabbits, and some macaw parrots. Macaw parrots means they are the vibrant, colorful birds found mainly in hilly areas. Last but not the least, some common hills of India are Nilgiri, Aravali, Vidya, and Satpura.
Here, I, Saloni Paswan of 11 Science, going to give a brief description about a beautiful landform plateau. Plateaus are the highlands with a broad and more or less flat surface. Due to the flat topped surface, these landforms are also known as stable land. Their height varies from a few hundred meters to 1000 meters. Plateaus generally have steep slopes on both sides. The famous plateaus are Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Thank you.
I, Aditi Singh from 11 Science, going to give a brief description about volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in Earth's surface that allows molten rock, hot gases and ash to erupt from the Earth's interior. Habitat of plants around volcanoes are coffee plants, mosses and grapevines and flowers like hibiscus, lupine and fireweed. Habitat of animals around volcanoes: lesser flamingos, vampire ground finches and some deep sea creatures. Some common volcanoes are Barren Island and Narcodam Island, which is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Thank you.
Tall trees, leaves glistening with dew, streams and rivers flowing through, birds singing and flying high in the sky, and a gentle breeze with cloudless skies. Myself, Amin Siddiqui from class 11 Science, now going to represent forest. A forest is an area dominated by trees with significant canopy. Let us know about the habitats of flora and fauna. Flora, the tall shisham, sandalwood, bamboos are the main dominant there, and animals like deer, tiger, lions, squirrels, and beautiful birds like woodpeckers, peahens, and peacocks are the most dominant there. Also remember the famous forest of our diverse India, Sundarban Mangrove Forest that is located in the state of West Bengal and Gir Forest that is located in the state of Gujarat. Thank you.
जल विविधता ही जीवन की आशा है, सेव